Sometimes, a simple idea shakes up an entire industry. It doesn't take a revolution, just a bold move that makes everyone stop and pay attention. That's exactly what happened when Toyota unveiled their new pickup truck, catching the world off guard. No hype, no celebrities, just a tough, honest machine with a price tag that stunned everyone. It was a moment that felt refreshingly real in a world full of marketing noise. Trucks today are loaded with luxury, but the basics have gotten lost and expensive. Features keep piling up, but so do the costs, leaving many buyers behind. This Toyota is a throwback, a bed, a cab, an engine that just works. It's simplicity with a purpose, designed for people who value function over flash. It's built for hauling, for mud, for real work, not for showing off. This truck is about getting your hands dirty and getting the job done day after day. Toyota saw regular people being priced out of the trucks they need. The average worker, the family on a budget, the small business owner, they were all being left behind. Landscapers, small business owners, families. Suddenly, a new truck was within reach. It wasn't just a vehicle. It was an opportunity for more people to get back on the road. The buzz wasn't about horsepower or screens. It was about price. For once, affordability was the headline, and that changed everything. For the first time in years, people felt seen by an automaker. The conversation changed overnight, and hope returned to the showroom floor. This wasn't just a new truck, it was a wake-up call. It challenged the status quo and forced everyone to rethink what a truck should be. Toyota reminded everyone what a truck is supposed to be: a tool for getting things done, not just a status symbol or a luxury item. And that's why the whole industry took notice. One bold move, and suddenly, the future of trucks looked different for everyone. $13,000 for a new pickup? It sounds impossible. Most trucks cost more than that just for the options. But this is Toyota, famous for reliability, not gimmicks. The low price isn't about cutting corners, it's about cutting the fluff. No leather seats, no giant screens, just a durable, easy-to-clean interior and proven mechanics. Toyota focused on what matters: function, not fashion. The value is in years of dependable service, not luxury features. This price challenges the industry. Why have trucks gotten so expensive? The answer: we've been paying for things we don't need. Toyota's approach is refreshingly simple: everything you need, nothing you don't. That's the brilliance behind the $13,000 truck. Who's this truck for? The answer is simple: the people who keep our world running. The young contractor starting out, who needs reliability without a crushing payment. The small farmer, who just needs a truck that starts every morning and hauls what matters. The family on a budget, who wants to camp, haul, and explore without breaking the bank. This truck isn't about status, it's about getting the job done. It's for those who value hard work and smart spending. It's a tool for builders, growers, and doers. Toyota put utility back in the hands of everyday people. It's not about luxury, it's about respect for your work and your wallet. This truck empowers the backbone of our communities. It's proof you don't need to be rich to own a good, honest truck. And that's a game changer. How did Toyota make a quality truck so affordable? The answer: relentless efficiency. They used proven engines and transmissions. No risky new tech, just reliability. Global platforms mean shared parts and massive economies of scale. Every component is designed for durability and ease of repair. The body is simple, the interior tough, no expensive frills, just what works. By focusing on what matters, Toyota keeps costs down without sacrificing quality. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Repairs are easy, parts are everywhere, and maintenance is low cost. This is the Toyota way: build it right, build it simple, and build it to last. The result? A truck that's affordable, reliable, and ready for real life. That's clever engineering, not corner cutting. Park this Toyota next to the big American trucks, and the difference is clear. The F-150, Silverado, and Ram are huge, luxurious, and expensive. They're more like rolling living rooms than work trucks. Toyota isn't trying to outdo them on size or gadgets. It's playing a different game, like the original Beetle or Civic did for cars. This truck is for people ignored by the big players, those who want value, not flash. Globally, Toyota trucks are legendary for toughness. This new pickup carries that DNA, reliable anywhere, for anyone. It's about needs, not wants. A bed, an engine, a price you can afford. It challenges the idea that you need luxury to get quality. For many, a simple, honest truck is the best option. When these trucks hit dealerships, they vanished fast. Demand was so high it seemed like every new arrival was spoken for before it even touched the lot. Buyers weren't the usual crowd, they were people upgrading from old vans and sedans. Folks who never considered a pickup before were suddenly drawn in by the promise of practicality and value. Maria, a painter, traded her battered minivan for a new Toyota pickup. She needed something reliable, and the Toyota fit the bill perfectly. Now, her business looks professional, and her gear fits safely. Clients notice the difference, and Maria feels more confident pulling up to every job. Tom and Sarah, new homeowners, finally had a truck for their DIY dreams, without sacrificing their renovation budget. The pickup made weekend projects easier and opened up new possibilities for their home. On job sites, the reaction shifted from skepticism to respect. Workers realized that a smaller truck could still handle tough tasks and keep costs down. The little Toyotas showed up daily, hauling tools and saving owners money. They proved their worth with every load, every trip, and every dollar saved on fuel. Landscapers, contractors, families, they all saw the value. The truck fit into every lifestyle, from weekday work to weekend adventures. One landscaper put it best: "That big truck costs 3 times as much. Does it do 3 times the work? No. My Toyota does the job and saves me money." For many, it was a no-brainer. This truck is changing minds about what matters. People are rethinking what they really need in a work vehicle. It's not about impressing others. It's about getting the job done and keeping more in your pocket. Practicality and savings are winning out over flash. That's the definition of a better tool: reliable, efficient, and built to last. Qualities that matter most. And that's why this truck is making waves. It's not just a vehicle, it's a smart choice that's changing the way people think about pickups. What does this mean for the future? The world of trucks is changing faster than ever before, and we're standing at the edge of something truly exciting. This Toyota isn't just a new model, it's a turning point. It signals a shift in priorities, focusing on what drivers actually need, not just what looks impressive on paper. The industry's race for bigger, pricier trucks left many behind. For years, the spotlight was on luxury and size, pushing prices higher and making trucks less accessible for everyday people. Toyota opened a new road: affordable, practical, and smart. They're showing that you don't have to sacrifice quality or capability for a fair price. Now other automakers have to respond. The pressure is on to rethink what a truck should be and who it should serve. We could see a new wave of honest, hard-working trucks for everyone. Trucks that are built for real life, not just for showrooms or status. Buyers will start asking tougher questions about what they're really paying for. They'll want to know if they're getting true value, not just flashy extras. The myth that you need to spend a fortune for a good truck is gone. People are realizing that reliability and affordability can go hand in hand. This is about respect for your work, your budget, and your needs. It's about making sure every dollar counts and every feature matters. A truck should serve you, not the other way around. It should be a partner in your daily life, ready for any challenge you face. Toyota's idea is simple: a good truck should be within reach for all. No matter your background or your job, you deserve a truck that fits your life. That idea is already changing the conversation. People are talking, and the industry is listening, sparking a movement toward fairness and accessibility. The road ahead looks different and better for truck buyers. The sun system. Optimism, and a belief that the best days for trucks are still to come, and I can't wait to see where it leads. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless.